Everywhere you turn, there's more AI technology than ever. And there's more tools promising to revolutionize procurement. So if that's the case, why are so many organizations still stuck in the same patterns? Why aren't breakthrough innovations happening a lot faster? It's because we're asking the wrong question. We keep asking, what can AI do instead of us? But that's really limiting our thinking. If we keep competing with machines instead of collaborating with them, we're going to miss the biggest opportunity of our careers. The real question is, what can we do now because of AI? The organizations that are truly moving forward in procurement aren't the ones who are replacing humans with AI. They're the ones discovering what becomes possible when human creativity and machine intelligence learn to dance together. Hi, I'm Carla Johnson. I'm an innovation architect, and I help organizations like the Virginia Institute of Procurement move forward by unlocking breakthrough thinking. By reframing AI not as a threat, but as your team's ultimate thought partner. Join me for Forum 2025 and find out how to turn AI into fuel for the ideas that will move procurement forward in ways you never imagined. Because the future belongs to people who don't just use AI, but who reimagine what's possible because of it.